This is HP Color Laserjet M283fdn printer. This is where we connect the power cable. Here we see the serial number and voltage rating of the printer. We will connect here the USB cable. Here is for LAN cable connection. This is how we remove and installing back the cartridges. Do not touch the surface of the cartridge chip to avoid damage. This is the multi-purpose tray. This tray is capable to feed envelopes and higher GSM paper. This is the standard tray with 250 sheet capacity. Just press this lock to adjust the paper length up to legal size. Adjust also this paper guide for paper width. Adjust paper guide to fit the paper. This is a DF scanner with 50 sheet capacity. Here is the power button. Just long press for power off. And quick press during power on. Now we will perform basic troubleshooting. First, we will remove the jammed paper on the ADF scanner. Just open the ADF cover and also the flatbed. Remove the jammed paper slowly, then cover it back. Second, we will remove jammed paper from the fusor area. Before removing the paper, open the standard tray first. To easily remove the paper, then close it back. And lastly, removing the paper from the duplex area. Just open the rear door. Then slowly remove the jammed paper. Thanks for watching.